Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to download Metatrader 4 on PC. Now what you have to do, you have to go onto Google, type in download Metatrader 4, and then you want to click onto this link. Now what is really important is that it's the official metatrader4.com website. Now don't download it from other websites like here, Metatrader 4 for Windows, because these are not the official releases. So you want to go onto Metatrader 4, click on this link, and on their official page you want to download this for Windows. Now obviously if you have Linux or Mac, then you want to download these versions. However, in this case I'll download the Windows version, and then you want to execute the executable file, click on yes, and then you've successfully downloaded Metatrader 4, and you want to go through these steps right here. Now that is how you can install Metatrader 4 on your PC. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.